During this class, you're going to spend 4 weeks developing your analyzing art project. What the project will show me is that you've taken in the information that you learned by reading your book and watching the videos, and you're going to have a chance to apply the analyzation tools that you've learned. I have a couple suggestions to help you prepare for this assignment. First, do it as instructed week by week. Don't wait till the final week to do all 4. It's way too many videos to watch. And I can tell the students that wait till week 4 because they tend to, do things like only use the first videos and not answer all the questions. By viewing all the videos, for example, Sister Wendy's videos, which are delightful, not only do you get to learn the story of painting, you become much more comfortable with talking about painting because she displays it so well. And by hearing her talk about paintings, you'll then feel more comfortable talking about it. And also, when picking a piece for this, I want you to pick a piece that all these questions can be answered. So, who is the artist? If you pick a piece from her first video, where a lot of it's about Neolithic art, art before artists, were identified as artists, or Grecian art or Roman art, that's not going to be the best piece for this question. So you'll lose points. So I'm telling you right now, do not pick anonymous work. There's so much to choose from in those videos. Pick one where the artist is actually named. And where you can find when it was made. I mean, Grecian stuff we can estimate, but if I did something by Pablo Picasso, I could tell you that was made in like 1942. So that's much more helpful. Also, refer back to your textbook when it talks about space, line, color, shape. There's great definitions of what is meant by these words. Use those to help you create your answers. And remember, you only need 2. Same thing with sculpture. Pick things that have an actual sculpture, that have titles, not, anonymous pieces. I know there are some beautiful works done by anonymous pieces hundreds and hundreds of years ago, but for this assignment I want you to focus on pieces where you know who the sculptor is and when it was made. There's so much sculpture to choose from. I've included lots of videos for you to work your way through. I have confidence that you'll find this. And again, look to your textbook for understanding of what these words mean and only include 2. Luckily, the videos on architecture all have architects on it, so we won't have a problem with the work title and when it was completed. All of this stuff is public knowledge, so this one should be a lot easier for you. And that's another reason we left it for week 3. And then week 4, it's all about putting it together, and this is the part students miss all the time. Have a title slide. Name your presentation. Analyzing art project will work, but it's not the most creative name, and I feel like you can do better. Start with the preview side, which lists the topics of your presentation. This is similar to a table of contents. And then a conclusion side would summarize your main points that you've learned. And do not forget the reference list side. If it's been a while since you've done APA, I have a little guide for you. If you need help, you want me to look at it, I'm always happy to look at it. I'm excited for you to do this project. It's going to give you a chance to really get to know works of art and become successful. So thank you for taking this time to listen to this video, and of course I'm always available and look forward to answering questions.